Today, we will discuss why many cybersecurity professionals prefer using Linux as their operating system and how you can use it for your cybersecurity needs. Welcome to our channel, where we make cybersecurity easy for everyone. Today, we are exploring Linux and its role in cybersecurity. Linux is an open-source operating system popular among hackers and cybersecurity professionals. But why is that? Let's find out. Linux is a popular choice in cybersecurity due to its open-source nature, high customizability, lightweight design, and compatibility with various hacking tools. Cybersecurity professionals use Linux distributions like Kali Linux for in-depth penetration testing and vulnerability assessments. Additionally, Linux is the operating system used on most network devices and security appliances. Let's examine critical areas of Linux that are important for cybersecurity professionals. Understanding Linux's essential system and network administration functions is crucial, including viewing system information, modifying network configuration, and managing services. Package management. Linux distributions come with a package manager that handles the installation, upgrade, setup, and removal of software packages. A good understanding of package management is essential to ensure the security of your system. The Linux file system is organized in a hierarchical structure that can help users locate files and manage permissions more effectively. Many Linux users prefer the command line interface over the graphical user interface. The command line interface, CLI, offers greater control and accuracy, which is particularly crucial in cybersecurity. Linux distributions like Kali Linux come with preloaded security tools for penetration testing, vulnerability scanning, and network analysis. Linux is a powerful tool for cybersecurity professionals who can improve their skills by understanding its core components and how to use them. Remember, cybersecurity is an ongoing journey. Keep learning, stay curious, and don't be afraid to experiment. With Linux by your side, you will be well equipped for whatever comes your way. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more cybersecurity content. Stay safe.